Number 10.
Experience the epitome of modernity with a sleek and futuristic small kitchen design that embraces elegance and cutting-edge technology. The sleek, minimalist cabinetry pairs harmoniously with high-tech appliances, making cooking and food preparation a seamless and enjoyable experience. Integrated LED lighting adds a touch of sophistication and enhances functionality, while smart kitchen automation and high-tech gadgets elevate convenience and efficiency. Step into this sophisticated haven and immerse yourself in the future of culinary excellence, where sleek design and innovative technology come together to create a kitchen that is both beautiful and functional.
Number 9.
Embrace the delightful charm of a retro revival in the small kitchen design, where vintage-inspired tiles, retro-style appliances, and mid-century modern furniture come together in a modern nod to the past. The bold and nostalgic presence of retro-style appliances becomes the centerpiece, while vintage-inspired tiles and pastel hues add an air of nostalgia. Mid-century modern furniture pieces and retro decor create an authentic retro revival atmosphere. Step into this captivating retreat and experience the allure of the past with a modern twist. Whether it's cooking, gathering, or simply basking in the nostalgic ambience, this retro revival kitchen design offers a perfect space for embracing the beauty of old and new, making every culinary experience a delightful journey through time.
Number 8.
Step into the world of monochrome marvel, where a strikingly modern small kitchen showcases the captivating power of bold contrasts. The combination of black cabinets against white walls creates a visually stunning and sophisticated space that exudes contemporary elegance. Embrace the simplicity and boldness of the monochromatic color scheme, where glossy finishes and minimalist hardware elevate the design. The open shelving with a white backdrop adds a touch of contrast, while statement lighting fixtures serve as focal points. Step into this captivating retreat and experience the allure of monochrome marvel in your own home. Whether it's cooking, entertaining, or enjoying moments of culinary creativity, this modern small kitchen design offers a perfect space for embracing the beauty of contrast and elevating your culinary experience to new heights.
Number 7.
Embrace the concept of a smart space saver by transforming your small kitchen into a highly efficient and organized space. With innovative storage solutions and multifunctional appliances, vertical storage solutions keep the countertops clutter-free, while pull-out pantries optimize storage in narrow spaces. Foldable furniture provides versatility, accommodating extra seating and work areas when needed. Multifunctional appliances consolidate functions, reducing the need for excess kitchen tools. Under-sink organization ensures every inch of space is used efficiently, while cabinet door organizers create additional storage for small items. Step into this smartly designed space, where creativity and practicality combine to elevate your small kitchen into an efficient and organized haven. Embrace the power of innovative solutions and unlock the full potential of your small kitchen, making it a space that inspires culinary creativity and functional living.
Number 6.
Embrace the futuristic allure of the high-tech haven, where the latest technology transforms a small kitchen into an innovative and efficient culinary space. Smart appliances, touchscreen interfaces, and automated lighting create a seamless and convenient cooking experience. Voice-activated virtual assistants and wireless charging stations further enhance functionality and connectivity. Step into this cutting-edge retreat, where technology meets culinary creativity, making every cooking endeavor a seamless and enjoyable process. The high-tech haven is not just a kitchen. It is a glimpse into the future of modern living. Embrace the convenience and efficiency of technology and immerse yourself in the high-tech culinary experience of this small kitchen design.
Number 5.
Embrace the essence of sustainable serenity with a small kitchen design that integrates eco-friendly materials, energy-efficient appliances, and a calming, natural color palette. The use of sustainable materials reflects a commitment to the environment, while energy-efficient appliances promote mindful and eco-conscious practices. Step into this nurturing space, where soft earthy tones and recycled glass enhance the serene ambience. Indoor plants further connect the kitchen to nature, creating a harmonious and tranquil retreat for culinary exploration. Sustainable serenity is not just a kitchen design. It is a lifestyle choice that values mindfulness, eco-consciousness, and the beauty of nature. Embrace the calming and sustainable atmosphere of this kitchen, and savor every culinary moment in harmony with the environment.
Number 4.
Step into the world of artistic fusion, where creativity knows no bounds, and design becomes a captivating visual experience in the kitchen. The use of unique patterns, colorful backsplashes, and artistic lighting fixtures transforms this space into an artful masterpiece that ignites the senses. Embrace the magic of artistic expression, where curated decor and playful colors infuse the kitchen with personality and visual interest. Step into this captivating retreat and experience the allure of artistic fusion in your own home. Whether it's cooking, entertaining, or simply admiring the artistic elements, this kitchen design offers a perfect space for embracing the beauty of art and design as one, making every culinary experience a delightful and visually stimulating journey.
Number 3.
Nature's Harmony is more than just a kitchen. It's a serene and inspiring space that brings the outdoors in with large windows, natural materials like stone countertops, and an abundance of greenery. The connection to nature elevates the culinary experience, creating a harmonious blend of modernity and natural beauty. Step into this captivating retreat, where sunlight streams through large windows, natural stone countertops exude elegance, and greenery surrounds you with tranquility. Nature's Harmony Kitchen is a place where you can immerse yourself in the soothing allure of the outdoors, finding joy in cooking and nourishing your spirit in a space that celebrates the harmonious union of nature and modern living.
Number 2.
Embrace the charm of a cozy and chic small kitchen, where warm earthy tones, stylish open shelving, and a compact island create a delightful and inviting haven. The richness of terracotta and soft browns adds warmth, while the open shelving displays treasured items in a trendy and sophisticated manner. The compact island serves as a functional and versatile workspace, inviting you to prepare meals with ease. Step into this inviting retreat and experience the fusion of comfort and elegance, where the charm of warm earthy tones meets the functionality of stylish design. Whether it's cooking, dining, or enjoying time with loved ones, this cozy and chic kitchen design offers a perfect space for creating cherished memories and embracing the joy of home.
Number 1.
Step into the trend-setting world of urban industrial chic with a small kitchen design that combines exposed brick walls, metal accents, and reclaimed wood with contemporary fixtures. The raw authenticity of the exposed brick adds character to the space, while metal accents and reclaimed wood elements infuse the kitchen with an edgy and stylish vibe. Embrace the harmonious balance of industrial aesthetics and modern functionality, where contemporary fixtures effortlessly complement the urban charm. Step into this captivating retreat and experience the allure of urban industrial chic in your own home. Whether it's cooking, entertaining, or enjoying moments of creativity, this trendy small kitchen design offers a perfect space for embracing the cutting-edge charm of urban living.